Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Apache helicopter is probably one of the most impressive military models you can find. These models are known for their versatility, robustness, and advanced technology, just like the real thing. In this video, we'll dive into the details of these remarkable machines, exploring what makes them stand out and what you should look for when picking one for yourself or as a gift. Number 5. Daron Boeing AH-64D Apache Longbow 1/100 Diecast Model. This is a detailed 1/100 scale diecast model. It features realistic panel lines and surface details. The model is made of die-cast metal with some plastic components. It's built to last and accurately represents the real aircraft. The model has pad-printed markings and placards. These markings won't fade or peel over time, ensuring the model's quality. It comes with a presentation stand. You can display it in flight, showcasing its dynamic design. The model includes authentic ordnance loads. This adds to the realism and detail of the Apache Longbow. This model is recommended for ages 14 and up. It's a great collectible for aviation enthusiasts. What we like. This model boasts die-cast metal construction, ensuring durability and a premium feel. It features realistic panel lines and markings, making it a standout display piece. If you are looking for a highly detailed and ready-to-display model for your desk or collection, this one is perfect for you. What people say. Made very well with a very good design. The details are stunning and it sits beautifully with rest of my collection. This model is very well made and I love it. This model is small but has such great detail and really stands out on my fireplace mantle. Number 4. New Ray Toys AH-64 Apache Helicopter. Introducing the new Ray Toys AH-64 Apache Helicopter. This model is a highly detailed die-cast metal construction. It features an accurate paint scheme and markings, making it look realistic. This helicopter is ready for display or play. No glue or paints are required, so you can enjoy it right away. The details on this model are amazing. It measures approximately 9.5 inches in length, perfect for any collection. The included plastic stand allows you to display it easily. Get yours today and add this fantastic model to your collection. It's a great addition for enthusiasts. This model is a great gift for anyone who loves helicopters. It is a perfect choice for both display and play. What we like. This model offers highly detailed die-cast metal construction, capturing the essence of the Apache. It comes ready to display right out of the box, saving you time and effort. If you value convenience and immediate enjoyment, this model is an excellent choice. What people say. These choppers are just plain fun to fly, and they are responsive to the controls. A light touch and an hour's practice and you are flying. This is a great display model. Saw one of these on Military Channel and fell in love with it. This model is really showing off the detail. Perfect model, package came on time and was in great condition. Number 3. Revell Germany 04985 Apache 100 Helicopter Model Kit. Introducing the Revell Germany 04985 Apache Model Kit. This kit allows you to build your own Apache helicopter model. Assembly and painting are required to complete it. The model is crafted in a 1/100 scale, providing a detailed representation. It's a great project for model enthusiasts. This kit requires assembly, so get ready to put it together. You'll enjoy the process of building this detailed model. Please note that paint and glue are not included in the kit. You'll need to purchase those separately to finish it. With this kit, you can bring the Apache helicopter to life. It's a fantastic addition to any model collection. What we like. This model is a 1/100 scale kit, requiring assembly and painting. It allows you to build and customize your own Apache. If you enjoy the process of model building and customization, this kit will provide a rewarding experience. What people say. Goede afterwerk den passende onderdelen en een zeer duidelijk handleiding. Der bastelbosets kam sehr gut beim 8-jarigen Neffen. Number 2. AH-64 Longbow Apache Helicopter Model. This diecast model is a detailed replica of the AH-64 Longbow Apache. It's perfect for military enthusiasts and collectors alike. The model is designed with fine workmanship. The model measures 11.02 inches long, 9.17 inches wide, and 3.15 inches high, weighing 0.45 pounds. It's made to accurately represent the real helicopter's dimensions. The body is made of durable zinc alloy and ABS plastics. The cab, propellers, tail fins, and missiles are crafted from ABS plastic, ensuring a high-quality build. It features simulated lights and sounds. Press the switch to activate the acousto-optic effects, and the cab lights up with realistic sound effects. The propellers can be rotated manually. This model is ideal for display in offices or bedrooms. It's also an excellent gift for military enthusiasts, perfect for birthdays or special occasions. They can use it as an ornament and put it on the display cabinet at home. What we like. This model features simulated acousto-optic effects, bringing the Apache to life. The propellers rotate manually, adding to its realism. If you like interactive models with engaging features, this one is a great option for collectors and those who appreciate a dynamic display. What people say. It is worth the price. The quality is good. It is a good size for a desk. The details are on point to where you can see the screws. You can use the stand or let it sit on its wheels. He has it displayed on his bookshelf and related that it is well made with fine workmanship and details. The lights and sounds add to the realism, and he said that he is really happy with it. Overall, cool display. AH-64. Very nice helicopter with light and sound of Apache Helicopter, ideal for collectors. It is very perfectly detailed and comes with its stand to show it off better. In my opinion, it is excellent, that's why I recommend it. Number 1. Revell AH-64A Apache 1 hour 72 minutes and 1:144 scale model kit. Today, we're looking at the Revell AH-64A Apache model kit. This kit allows you to build a detailed replica of the iconic attack helicopter. It's a great choice for model enthusiasts. This model features a highly detailed cockpit. You can see the intricate design of the pilot seat and control panels. It brings the model to life. The fuselage of this model is also highly detailed. The design accurately reflects the real helicopter structure. It is a great addition to any collection. Included with the kit is an authentic decal set. These decals add realistic markings and details to the model. They will make it look even more impressive. The Revell Apache model is available in both 1 hour 72 minutes and 1:144 scales. This gives you options depending on your preference. You can choose the one that best fits your needs. What we like. This model features a detailed cockpit and an authentic decal set for accurate representation. It comes unbuilt and unpainted, allowing you to customize it to your liking. If you enjoy the challenge of detailed model building and customization, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. More challenging than most plain-like kits. Pays off though. It's a very simple kit, with easy-to-follow instructions. The end product looks amazing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.